Welcome to the Roadside Realities channel. Today, we will explore the dangerous situations on the road caused by reckless and irresponsible driving. Let's raise our awareness about safe driving together. Let's begin right now. Many accidents have occurred due to speeding on snowy roads. The consequences of running red lights. The car went up the mountainside to overtake and met with an accident. The car crashed into the electric pole. Fortunately, no one was injured. Sudden braking at curves can cause large vehicles to tip over. The car was speeding, lost control and hit the bridge, causing a minor collision with another vehicle. If the driver had gone slower, the collision wouldn't have happened. Most accidents are due to speeding. The driver will likely face a severe penalty for their actions. It's unclear why drivers always keep the rear compartment elevated. The car suddenly lost control, but luckily no collision occurred. In this case, the driver might have thought the red light was green. The collision caused the car to lose control, but no one was injured. Even if you change lanes safely, don't brake too suddenly. Don't stop suddenly in the middle of the road. This is the driver's fault for not regularly checking the vehicle. The driver might have pressed the accelerator too hard. Fortunately, no one was injured. Although the collision was minor, it's a lesson for both drivers. Everyone is safe. Things are unpredictable. The driver was really lucky not to be injured. It's the driver's fault for changing lanes too suddenly. The car was pushed a considerable distance, likely due to brake failure of the larger vehicle. To avoid collision with the red car, the container truck hit the black car. The driver is okay, but the small car isn't.
Hello.
How fast was the car going to cause this accident? It looks like the car emerged from underwater. You must stop far from the train tracks for everyone's safety. If you run a red light, the police will talk to you immediately. The driver might have pressed the accelerator too hard. This is why drivers need to know the height of their vehicle and the roads they travel. Always control your speed to avoid unfortunate incidents. Does the driver know about this? Drivers need to secure their cargo to ensure everyone's safety. A collision occurred due to the close distance between the vehicles. Maybe the car in front ran out of gas. That's why the driver was driving like that. The black car probably lost control, causing this accident. The car was trying to get out of there. Luckily, no accident occurred. You should drive decisively to avoid accidents. When you turn out, you must yield to oncoming traffic and drive slowly. A collision occurred when the cars were too close to each other. Close distances cause collisions. Don't drive like that. Fortunately, no one was injured. The car lost control. It's really dangerous. The driver should know they can't get out. Why did they go in there? Never drive like this. The driver pressed the accelerator too hard. The driver is trying to correct their mistake. The collision was due to wheel slip when braking suddenly. The driver should slow down. If you drive slowly, you can avoid unexpected situations. No one was injured. That's a blessing. The driver might have had a moment of inattention, causing this incident. Even a minor collision is a result of not paying attention. The car tipping over was only a matter of time. It was too fast to see what just passed by. Why drive so fast? The car probably lost control. The driver shouldn't drive like that. It's very dangerous.